Everyone, so in this video I'll be explaining how you can configure ping1 as your identity service for the Sparkflows. So as the first step, we are going to just get into connections, click on applications. We'll create a new application. Let's give it a name, Sparkflows v1 Sparkflows app. We will be using a SAML application. Click on configure. Let's manually enter the ACS URL. So this is your service URL where the service is hosted. So this is going to be a dummy URL. And similarly, we would be entering the entity ID. Sparkflows 7 metadata. So once you have configured all this information, just click on save. Now click on configuration, and these are the bunch of configurations that you can use to configure your application. So go to the application configuration. There is a file in the conf directory called as sso.saml.properties. Now over here you would be requiring a metadata URL. This metadata URL will be found over here. This is the IDP or the identity service metadata URL. So click to copy it and then paste it over here. Next one is the identity or the entity ID over here. So we are just going to get this one as the issuer ID. Okay, click on the copy button and this would be copied to your clipboard, and then you can paste it over here. So the base URL of the metadata would be the endpoint where your service is hosted, and once you have this service configured, you need to restart the server. And then navigate to your service. Let's go to so this is going to be configured with the new SSO. Let's click on login with SSO, and it is going to automatically redirect to the ping1 service, and here you have to enter your credentials. Now over here the certificate is not valid, but once you have logged in, so this is how the service would look like. You can always go to your user profile and validate all the information. So hope this particular video has explained you how you can configure the SAML authentication using ping1 as an identity service. Thank you.